Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make polenta from scratch. And for that you will need coarse polenta, or as an alternative, coarse cornmeal. There are some differences between the two in terms of texture, but I have used both many times and in my opinion they are interchangeable, giving a very similar result. So just use what is most available to you. You'll need 7.5 deciliters of water and 120 grams of polenta. Also, I recommend using a medium-sized non-stick saucepan and a shallow baking dish. First, pour the water into the pan and bring to a boil. Then, turn the heat to low. While pouring the polenta, stir very quickly with a wooden spoon or a flat whisk so that no lumps appear. But if that happens, break them up against the sides of the pan with the help of a wooden spoon. Continue stirring for 40 minutes over a low heat while the polenta cooks. Please note that the polenta should be stirred throughout most of this time. But if you need to stop occasionally, make sure it's no more than half a minute or so each time. Now that the polenta is cooked, season with a little salt and pepper, 25 grams of butter or plant-based spread, and the same quantity of cheese if using. Taste, adjust any seasoning, and stir until everything has melted and is well combined. Now, using a silicone spatula, quickly transfer the polenta into the baking dish and spread it to an even, smooth layer of about 2.5 centimeters thick. It is important that you work swiftly when pouring the polenta into the dish, as it will set almost immediately, making it very difficult to spread from that point on. Next, let the polenta cool for at least 40 minutes. Up to this point, the polenta can be made with some hours in advance. Just keep the polenta in the fridge, and when you're ready to serve it, continue to the next step. Now, using a sharp knife, cut the polenta into wedges. You can also make squares or rectangular slices if you prefer. Then, heat a grilling pan and when hot, spray with a little vegetable oil. Carefully place the polenta onto the pan and grill for 4 or 5 minutes on each side until grill marks begin to appear. If necessary, work in batches until all the portions are grilled. And that's it, your polenta is delicious and ready to serve. This is a very versatile food that you can serve on its own or with almost everything you like. You can try it with some homemade tomato sauce, which you can see here in my channel. Top with toasted pine nuts, rocket leaves, and extra cheese if you wish. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegetarian and vegan recipes.